Hey, we're back hot on the trail. I'm not kidding, it is a hot trail. We're on the Buffalo Wing Trail. Our first stop, we're in the beautiful little town of Williamsville. This used to be a stagecoach. It was a stop between Rochester and Buffalo, so a lot of history here. Come on, Bob.
There's no more love in my heart for you. There's no more love in my heart for you. You got me worried all the time, but a fool must learn sometime. Now there's no more love in my heart.
Well, we gave it a shot. We sat at the bar for 15 minutes. Not a whole lot of atmosphere. Service didn't seem great. Too bad, but the Glen Park Tavern didn't cut it. All right, we're still out on the trail, the Buffalo Wing Trail. Next stop, we're going to try Doc Sullivans. We're in the Irish village, South Buffalo, about 10 minutes from downtown Buffalo. Let's give it a shot.
For you. There's no more saving all my love for you. Oh, there's no more saving all my love for you.
Lindsay, yep. All right, so our wings at Doc Sullivans, we're known for our Smitty wings. It's just a spice that you get with the wings. You can get them hot, medium, or mild, and it just gives the wing more flavor. We also do our wings crispy, which obviously adds a good crunch to the wing.
On the whack wing.
Yeah, the beef on whack wings.
Or beef on whack.
Yes, definitely something different. I was kind of skeptical at first myself about those. I'm not a big horseradish girl, but when I had them, I could eat probably 5, 10, 20, maybe 30 of them myself. I'm just saying.
Perfect.
Beef on whack, baby. The hot wing.
You're the big shadow on Sugar Hill. As I was paying your bill. Now there's no
So here we are at Doc Sullivans, as Lindsay indicated. They've combined two Buffalo staples, the beef on whack and the Buffalo wing. And I've never seen a white wing before. I'm a little overwhelmed. We'll see what happens.
See everything it has on it?
I don't know, but they're top notch. You can definitely taste the horseradish. The caraway seeds are really good. They look like they're a little soggy, but they're crunchy as hell. Fantastic.
We love a crispy wing.
Oh yeah, excellent. Now, they're also famous for their Smitty. Smitty hot wings. Pretty saucy, like good crunch. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, that's good. I mean, we're in Buffalo, so a good wing is better than any other city, but not sure where to rate it. Okay, we're almost done here at Doc Sullivans. We'll do a quick summary. I have to say the beef on the whack wings, you gotta try it. It's like, put it on your bucket list. Yeah, excellent, you gotta try it. The atmosphere here, great amongst the locals. It's not your old traditional dive bar. Service, Lindsay's been off the charts great. We saw her, she's good, she's a natural. And from here we're moving on. You'll have to check out the next place. All right, we're not winged out yet. We're still on the Buffalo Wing Trail. This is great, we're loving it. We're still in South Buffalo, doing the Blackthorn Pub. I don't know what they're famous for, but my faithful assistant will certainly tell me. Come on in.
love in my heart for you.
I'm the general manager.
Oh, right on. Okay, perfect.
Hello, Danny.
This has been an Irish pub since 1978. South Buffalo wings are, temperature-wise, they're medium to hot. There's going to be sweet with a little bit of a kick at the end.
Right on. Okay. All right, so you got the description from Danny. All right. We're at the Blackthorn Pub. We're gonna give it a shot. There's some heat there. Oh, that's Danny, but I think there's cinnamon in this.
Nutmeg.
Nope, nutmeg. Actually, crunchy. Lingering heat, which is nice. Not too crazy at the front. Only on the back end. Excellent. Check out the grill marks. So deep fried and then grilled. Top notch. Blackthorn is right up.
Last week.
So what's the history of this then, Danny?
Yeah, so
Tim Russell.
So upstairs we use this as it's overflow seating and it's a meeting room. The Blackthorn Club, which is in its 101st year, meets up here. And Tim Russell was a member of the Blackthorn Club.
It is
His
not
father,
cool.
Big Russ, was also a member.
Oh, right on. So what are we drinking here, Danny?
Orange vodka and Red Bull.
Orange vodka and Red Bull. This will fire you up. That's it.
That's how you stay awake in bar time till 4 in the morning in Buffalo.
Here's to our new favorite Buffalo bar. We're in the little town of Hamburg. We've heard a lot about this place. It's Mammosers. Mosers
Tavern.
Mosers Tavern. And this place has been around. Phyllis started this place about 12 years after the original Buffalo Wing was started. She's got a little bit of a different take on it. She took a departure from Frank's wing sauce, and this is based on 4 different peppers and a variety of different spices. So we're gonna give it a shot. Come on.
There's no more love in my heart.
Video in here?
Hi. That's fine. You like
Fire it up.
very hot.
Okay, that's
Okay. Awesome.
We'll pay for it in the
hope
morning, I guess.
You might. I do.
All right, so we're at Mosers, and we're gonna do the dry wing. So this, as I said, it's multiple peppers and different spices. Let's give it a shot. Great spice flavor. You really get the Cajun oozing out of there. It's dry, so it's good. It's got a good crunch. Now I'm starting to feel the slow, lingering heat. It's nice, really nice. These are up there. Okay, now we're on to the smoked barbecue. A little wetter, not as dry. Hot barbecue. Really good crunch. Not too much sauce. Really good. Flavor is just huge. Big burst of flavor. You'll love these two.
There's no more love in my heart for you. You could even change your room, but you cannot change.
History of the place.
Well, my grandfather started across the street in the parking lot. There was a building there, and his lease was not renewed, and he moved into this building in 1948. And my parents bought it from him in 1975. That's when I started working here, and I bought it from them in 2003. In about 1976-77, my mom whipped up her own version of chicken wing sauce, and when she made hers, they always liked hot foods, so she added everything that she could think of that was hot, and didn't add butter or margarine like most places. It's a drier sauce. It's not a dry rub, but it's a drier sauce, and the more you apply, the hotter it is. So ever since then, we've just stuck with the sauce. It's manufactured commercially now. We get it in 5-gallon pails, whereas we used to mix it in a 5-gallon bucket with a drill motor. So it's on the market. I have other restaurants buying it from me, and I also have it in a couple of supermarkets and some local stores. I had an interview from a writer from Miami, and he actually ranked the 12 restaurants. And he said we were number 2.
Wow.
Duff's was number 1, which really surprised me.
So we just came out of Mammosers. Great hospitality, phenomenal wings. It's got a cool vibe. Now we're here mid-afternoon, so it's a little quiet. They say the evenings really pick up and things get going, so highly recommend this place. I'm sure this is going to rank super high. Lisa, our service was fantastic. Peter, the owner, came out and gave us a good talk, which you see in the video. Very hospitable. Love it. Next up on the Buffalo Wing Trail is Elmos. Elmos is famous for the double dip wing. What that is, they fry it, they douse it in sauce, they grill it, douse it again. So it's just bursting with flavor. We're going to give it a try.
Now there's no more love in my heart for you. There's no more saving all my love for
They talk about the wing trail. The double dip would be you take either a Cajun, a barbecue, or a honey mustard. Because what they do is they fry them, then they sauce them, then they put them in the char pit, and then double dip. They just re-sauce them in something else after they're cooked and grilled. So popular ones would be Cajun barbecue is a really popular one. Cajun medium or hot,
We like
depending on spice. So Cajun hot is probably the hottest you'll get here.
Okay.
They're not going to be like a Mammosers hot. Okay. Their wings are hot.
Those are good.
no more saving all my love for
So we're at Elmos, and we thought we'd give the beef on a wick a try. As we've already mentioned, it's a Buffalo staple. It forever has been. Give it a try. A little salty. Balanced by the horseradish, gives it a kick. The meat is super tender. This is really good.
And then those are the hot barbecue.
And how are they done?
They're fried, then sauced, then put on the grill, and then they sauce them again and kind of grill them up a little bit more.
And it's charcoal.
Charcoal, yeah.
Double dipped.
It's the Cajun, sweet honey Cajun mustard, double dipped. Wow. You know what's interesting? It's charcoal. When they grill it, it's charcoal.
Oh, so we're trying the Cajun honey mustard. So from what we read, the sweet is balanced out by the heat, or the heat is balanced out by the sweet. We'll find out. We'll give it a try. You really get the heavy charcoal profile. Not too spicy. You do have to have the sweetness of the honey mustard. Very good. Yeah, excellent. Highly recommend. Now at Elmos here, they're good enough to let you do 5 and 5. So now we're doing the hot barbecue. So a little saucier, but also it's got the charcoal profile. The barbecue sauce is very tangy, followed by a lingering heat. Quite nice, really. Maybe a little saucy, quite honestly. In my mind, everybody's got their own opinion. I'm no expert, but a little saucy, very good. Super flavor.
we was getting along just